All right, guys, how we
What's up?
doing? I got some visitors here who are gonna.
And
So,
JP coming. Hi.
all right, see, that's where the
Hi.
magic happens. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
Oh yeah,
All right.
my fingernails. They're really bad.
Yeah. Okay. Don't get the budget.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
See,
Have a
18,
good
20.
day,
All right. Bye.
We're already at 18 seconds. Wow.
Mhm. All right. So today we're going to be subtracting fractions with common denominators. I can subtract fractions, basically common denominators. So I'm going to do 1/2 minus 1/3. Common denominator is, okay, so back to what I was saying. I'm going to make this 6. 6 times 2, 3, 1, 6. Okay, that wasn't too challenging, so let's try to find one that's a little more complicated. Let's look at D. Okay.
What should we keep fixing them? Let's try to put this.
Hold on. Wait. All right, so now my denominator for 8 and 5 is going to be 5, 10, that's going to be 40. Okay? So this is 5, 5, 15, 8, 16. It's going to be 1 and 1/40. Okay? Next one, 6/7 minus 2 and 2/3. My common denominator is going to be 21. Alright, thanks guys. That's going to be 18, 3, and 4 over 21. Next one. Okay. Mealing has 1 1/4 liter of orange juice. She drinks 1/3. How much orange juice does she have left? So basically, she has, here's my little diagram here, guys. 1 1/4. And she drinks 1/3. So then I want to know how much she has left. So 1 1/4 minus 1/3. I'm going to make it 12 as my denominator. That's a 4. That's a 3. Right? Yep. So I can't subtract 3 minus 4, or 4 from 3. So I got to borrow 1 from the, okay, I'm going to slow this down. So I can't do 4 from 3. So I got to take 1 away from the 1 and make it a 0. Now what fraction did I just borrow? I borrowed a whole, which in this case was 12 over 12. Right? 12/12 plus 3/12 is 15/12. And that is equal to 11/12. So how much does she have left? 11/12 of a liter. And then you can also do the extension. If her brother then drinks twice as much as Mealing, how much is left? So that would be 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. So that's how much the brother drank. So I'm wondering if this is what's left. Her brother then drinks. So now I got to do 11/12 minus 2/3. And 12 is my denominator. That would be 3/12, which reduces to 1/4 of a liter. Let me make sure that's correct. Hold on 1 second. Just keep waiting. Keep on waiting. Keep on waiting. Extension, extension. Did I get it? Did I get it? Hold on a second. What lesson is this? Lesson 11. Hold on. Yes! We got it right. Okay. Get going. Bye.